Welcome back to 70,000 Flavors of
Indonesia. Okay.
Today we're gonna make fish bowl.
Fish bowl.
Yeah,
okay.
fish bowl.
So I see we have some cod and we have some shrimp.
Yeah, we have cod and shrimp. Okay. So we're gonna combine cod and shrimp. Alright then. So let's do this. Cod and shrimp. Can you see me, or should I wear an umbrella? Okay, so 250 grams combination of cod and shrimp here. I don't have blender here in the house. We have in the restaurant. So what I'm gonna use, this is molcajete. Right there.
Okay, that looks like about a cup, maybe a little bit more with the cod and the shrimp.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And then we're gonna use bumbu kuning. Can you open bumbu kuning for me? Just 1 spoon bumbu kuning.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Good.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna use this white pepper. Put a little bit white pepper. Yeah, white pepper and bumbu kuning.
Okay.
Then ice water, maybe like 100 milliliter.
Looks like about
Yeah.
3/4 of a cup.
Yeah, you will see when you mix it. Ice water. You will see when you mix it. Okay.
So why are you using ice water?
Because the ice water will make the firm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or is the better thing is you freeze you frozen. Yeah,
Freeze it?
Yeah, you freeze your fish and shrimp first, and then you blend it. That's even better.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put egg. Okay, guys.
How many eggs? One?
Yeah, 1 egg. Okay. Usually they use only a white egg, but I'm gonna put all of the egg now.
Oh, the white part of the egg.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay.
But I'm gonna put everything.
Okay.
Okay. That, and then I'm gonna put.
So we got the water boiling pretty good here.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put the chicken base. If you want water, gluten-free chicken base, for the salt. Okay. Okay, and then you just, if you have blender, it's easier, but since we don't have blender, so we use molcajete.
And we use these at the restaurant a lot.
Yeah. Maybe 250. You can put 250. So you can put 200 grams of tapioca, or you can make it the same amount. 250 fish
like
and
2
shrimp.
cups.
Let them
Cool down.
and then let them dry. In Indonesia, we call this perhaps, I don't know, meatball plus cilok plus empek-empek. So it's gonna be meal. It's gonna be pentolan, empek-empek. Here, we're gonna make the sambal for that. Gonna put sambal here a little bit. Oh, no more sambal. Okay, this is the last sambal we have. Okay, and then I'm gonna put ketchup manis. The ketchup manis. You can, okay, that's it. You can eat it like this, or you can fry it. In Indonesia, we eat with peanut sauce. But next time I'm gonna show you how to make the peanut sauce, so it's easier. Then we put the Indonesian chili. Indonesian chili sauce. It's not ketchup here.
Yes.
It's a chili sauce. Then you mix that. Okay. Then pour some lime juice. Ta-da.
Alright, so do you want to try some not fried and some fried?
Yeah,
we can do both.
So we're gonna put the one with not fried here. Put 2. Okay. Or we put 3. Or maybe put 4. So 4 not fried.
Okay.
And then we're gonna fry the other one. Almost done.
Okay. They're looking really good. So these will be nice and crispy on the outside. You know me, I can't turn down food.
Okay.
These are still steaming.
Yeah.
This is almost like a dumpling
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Kind of dumpling thing. It's like the stuff of the dumpling inside.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see if it's gonna burn my mouth.
You know, kind of the chewy things, you know.
Yeah, the texture is definitely like a dumpling. Good. Oh yeah.
The shrimp, the fish.
Yeah, you can taste it all. And which seasoning did we use?
We use
Cuisine?
yellow.
Cumin.
Yeah. Just the cumin one. Make sure you have a proper tongue.
Which we never do.
Okay.
They're still sizzling.
Okay, you have your fried something. It's not dumpling, but it's tapioca with shrimp and cod. One here, one here. Take a look at that.
So they got a nice crispy outside. Woo! Hot, hot, hot.
You can mix with sambal, or can you just dip it with sambal?
That is hot.
Just gonna do it with my hand, just like this.
They do this one because I broke that one already. But definitely blow it. It's really still very hot, but love the crunch on the outside. Very, very good. Also. They're both very good. I think it's more like the texture.
Yeah.
So one is more like a dumpling that's going to be softer. And this one definitely has that crunch on the outside.
Yeah. If you don't want to fry, some people they don't want to fry things, so you can just
Boil it.
boil it.
You're not losing any flavor either way. Oh, it's good.
So you have your fried fish ball and shrimp ball, chilo, mixed together
All in one with cumin.
with cumin. You can fry or you can just boil it.
Very good.
You have the crunchy but chewy and spicy and sweet. Okay, we're going to go to the restaurant.
It's time.
We'll finish this for our lunch. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment.
Don't forget our websites, krakatoacuisine.com, 17,000flavors.cooking. And you can check out our YouTube channel, which you are if you're watching this video.
Yep.
We have Instagram, we have Facebook,
Have everything.
and yeah, we have everything. So go on our website, buy our seasonings,
And explore.
and go crazy in your kitchen. Okay,
Thank you guys.
bye-bye. Have a good day.